post-production. Post-production includes editing, choosing music, making graphics, polishing, exporting, and uploading your media. Organize your footage before you start editing. Once you get back with your raw footage, it's time to organize the material you will ultimately choose from. First, there will be a selection process. You will organize the material in the following way. Isolate the interview answers.
I love mechanical things.
And locate and set aside the best shots. You'll draw from these collections when you start covering the A-roll. And keep your eyes open for shots that could work for the beginning and the end of your program. The happiest smiles or the funniest moments work nicely as transitions into and out of your film. Music is an essential part of your film. Choose an instrumental music track for your program. Drag the music into your timeline and lock the track for now. Music defines the atmosphere, pace, rhythm, and ultimately the energy of your film. You can find lots of options on royalty-free music websites. Now let's talk about editing. Editing is where it all comes together. Start at the beginning of the music to create an open sequence that introduces your location and central message. This will be your first impression, so make it lively and fun.
Hi, my name is Chance, and welcome to the Martin Guitar Company.
This is a really unique place to work. My name is John Marshall. We've been manufacturing guitars for 180 years.
The first 10 seconds of your program will set the tone and engage the viewer. You should introduce your central message early and reinforce it throughout the program by adding a variety of details. The energy should increase as your film builds to an exciting finish.
A-roll.
Now cut together the best of your interview selects. Once you have organized the material, you will choose portions of each interview and edit them together into complete thoughts.
I love my job here. We design custom fingerboards, pick guards, bridges, anything customers want. My name's Sean and I make custom Martin guitars.
You can let this version be long. Add everything you think could work and then go back and refine it in the next pass. Look for strong phrases to start and end each interview section and keep it tight.
This is a cool machine. This is one of our CNC machines.
Evaluate your interview material according to the statement, the presentation, energy, the framing, and camera work. Then select the portions of each take that are most appealing in these areas and edit them together into a sensible phrase. Your interview A-roll should have a natural rhythm to it. Listen to the phrases you've constructed and add or cut frames around words or syllables in order to create a natural speech pattern. Listen to the way these interview clips fit together.
I love mechanical things. I'm constantly on my toes. I work with a product that influences American and music history.
By the way, grammar matters. As the editor, it's your responsibility to construct proper sentences from the interview material. When you're happy with your interview statements from beginning to end, you have your A-roll.
B-roll.
Now cover with B-roll. Go through your timeline and choose the places where you want to leave your interview subject on camera. These will be places where they say something important and look appealing. Then mute all other videos so you know where to cover. You can take 2 or 3 shots and drop them into a video track on top of your A-roll. Play back your edits and see how it feels. Editing is trial and error. Tweak the in and out points to get the rhythm right and repeat the process.
Cut on action.
Keep the pace lively by changing the shot every 2 seconds or so. Watch the way these shots cut together. Notice that the change in the angles helps to keep the visual pace lively.
Hi, my name is Brian. I'm a machinist and I love guitars.
Use the spoken word in music to help you feel when to make the next edit. Remember to save some great shots for your big finish. Compile several of the best short sound bites that reinforce your message and make your subjects look great.
A Martin guitar is a special thing. There is a huge sense of pride among the employees that work here.
The end of your film is the most important part. This is the moment your audience will remember. Polish. Once you have the interview sound edited together and covered with B-roll, you'll begin the polishing process. Polishing will include refining edit points, adjusting audio and video levels, and adding graphics where appropriate. After much review and polish, it's finally time to export. Make it a point of pride to always make people feel good about how they appear.
Editing takes time. Be patient.
It's about trial and error. Stay with it, and your film will show the benefits. Well, what do you think, Chance?
I learned a lot.
Great! I hope it was helpful for you too. For more information and help with your project, check us out at emediaworkshop.com.